Ever wondered how AI can revolutionize coding? Well, meet CodeGPT. Developed by OpenAI, CodeGPT is a natural language processing model that crafts human-like text, code, and other structured outputs. Though still under development, its potential to redefine coding is immense, so what makes CodeGPT unique and how does it work? CodeGPT isn't just a code generator, it's much more. This clever AI system can generate human-like text and structured outputs, including code, in multiple programming languages. Not only can it translate code, but it also has the ability to write unit tests and generate documentation, streamlining the coding process. It can even write entire programs, making it a powerful tool for developers. CodeGPT is built on top of powerful language models like GPT-3, further enhancing its capabilities. Now, you might be wondering, how does CodeGPT learn to do all this? CodeGPT's secret lies in machine learning and natural language processing techniques. This savvy AI assistant studies a vast dataset of code and natural language text, soaking up knowledge like a sponge. It's through this learning process that CodeGPT begins to understand human language and code, a feat akin to becoming bilingual. But it doesn't stop there. Machine learning also enables CodeGPT to enhance code generation and optimization, making it a valuable tool for any developer's arsenal. While CodeGPT has immense potential, it's important to understand its limitations. CodeGPT is a work in progress, but its future looks promising. Picture this: coding revolutionized, with mundane tasks automated and productivity boosted. CodeGPT could pave the way for this new era, making coding accessible to a wider audience, not just the tech-savvy. However, we must not forget that it's still under development. Yes, it might produce inaccurate or incomplete code occasionally. But remember, even the greatest inventions had their rough beginnings. Imagine a world where AI assists you in coding. Exciting, isn't it? We're excited for the future of coding with CodeGPT. With advancements in AI like this, the way we write code is changing rapidly. We can't wait to see what's next. So, stay tuned for more updates on CodeGPT and other AI breakthroughs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching.